What is light? Waves. All light consists of electromagnetic waves in a spectrum that range from low-end ultraviolet UV to the high-end infrared IR of the spectrum. The wavelength is measured in nanometers and consists of both visible and invisible light. Particles. Light is measured in photons, which are quantum or individual units. Since individual photons possess tiny amounts of energy, photons are measured in units of moles, MOL, which are 6.02 by 1023 photons. Micromoles, UMOL, are 1/1,000,000th of a mole. Quality. Photons have different amounts of energy determined by their wavelengths. Light quality is the relative number of light particles at each wavelength. White quality refers to the spectral distribution of light, or the relative number of photons of each portion of the spectrum, both visible and invisible, that light emits. PAR light. During the photosynthetic process, where the plants turn light into energy, it requires certain wavelength spectrums, which we refer to as photosynthetic active radiation, PAR, or PAR for short. While PAR light spectrum ranges are between 380 and 720 nanometers, the region brightest to human vision, 555 nanometers, green, yellow, and orange, has the least effect on plants. Consequently, light meters that measure human vision levels, lux, lumen, foot candles, are not as effective as quantum meters determining if plant lighting levels, YPF and PPF, are actually measuring PAR. Quantum light meters differ from visible light meters in that they will tell you how many photons are striking a square meter per second. This can be taken at a moment in time incident reading at the plant, and the units of measurement will be measured in micromoles and expressed as UMOL divided by m squared. To give you some reference, using a quantum meter, sunlight on a cloudless day would measure 2,000 UMols at